Hello and welcome to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sign up or create a POF account. POF, or Plenty of Fish, is a Canadian online dating service. It is available in 9 languages. Plenty of Fish is a dating site that professes to be completely free. For this reason, it tends to be a very popular site. To create a POF account, go to your web browser first and type POF.com in the search bar and enter. Now, click on Register on the top right corner to create new. Type in your first name and click on Sign Up button. You'll be asked to enter your username, fill that in, and type in your email address. Re-enter it to confirm it again and enter a password. Confirm it again by retyping it again and click Next. On the next page, enter your country by selecting it, select your state and fill in your city. Now type in the postal code or zip code. Choose the gender by clicking on it and now select the date of birth. Choose the ethnicity you belong to and tap on Continue button. After you do that, you are successfully signed up to your POF account. That is it. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. I'll see you again with more of the tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.